fuel filter, there should be where it comes out, your fuel line that comes out of the tank. Do you see your fuel line where it comes out of the tank?
Fuel line, yes.
Okay, follow that fuel line and that should take you to the carburetor.
Oh, I see,
There's
yeah.
a fuel filter in there that should be in that line.
Okay. All right, I see where it is. So, any trick to getting that thing off? Okay, so I'm looking for, I don't see any clamps, but if I keep looking, they'll show up, you think?
Do you see the fuel filter?
Yes, I do.
The little clamp should be right next to the fuel filter. Green color?
Green? No. Yeah, I don't see any clamps. Maybe I'll just look around. It's pretty dirty, so maybe if I clean it, they might appear.
See where the fuel line goes into the tank?
Yes. Yep.
And there should be a clamp on there?
Yes, there is.
Okay, then see what that clamp looks like. That's where the clamp is. It should be the same kind of clamp that holds that fuel filter.
Oh, okay. I see it. It is there. It's just really, really dirty. Okay, so I just undo that clamp, and then undo the filter, and then clamp it back all up with the new one.
Yeah, you have to do both clamps. One clamp on each side of the filter.
Okay, one clamp on each side of the filter. Got it. All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.